How to share documents on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser. Okay guys, here we are. So we can go to Google Drive. Okay, in Google Drive it is like storage, as you know. Okay, it's like storage. We have 15 GB free storage here, and whatever you create like Google Form, Google Docs, Google Sheet, and Google other documents, it only save in Google Docs, Google Drive. Okay, so if you want find the Google document only, if you want to find only Google document, you can come to the search here, and you have to just click on this document option. Then you will see your all documents here, or you can simply type colon documents, then you will see all the document you have in Google Docs. Okay, or you can simply go to the Google Docs directly like this. Here you will see your all documents. Okay, so you can create new documents from here, and also you can create new documents from here. Okay, so I take one document from here. Okay, so I got this my created document, so I want to share it. So simply what you need to do, come to the share, and here you can see, okay, this window will be come here, and you can see here, you can copy the link, but this is restricted mode. You need to add the people here if you want to add the and here the permission. Okay, if you want to make the viewer, then the person can only view your documents. Commenter means they can suggest some changes on your document. You can see on your document when the commenter change anything or suggest it. Editor means they can directly edit your documents. Okay, and just select the permission here. I just make viewer, and here you can see the gear icon, and here you can see the two options, which is editor can change permission and share. If you select permission like editor, then you can see editor can change permission and share. If you want to disable it, just untick it. And for viewer, if you want to unable to download or print or copy for viewer, you can untick it. Okay, so by default it is enable. If you want to disable, just untick that box. Okay, so now you can share it. You can copy the link from here, and this person only you can view your document with this link. Okay, when you share, this person get one email, or you can say the notification, and he got the shared link, the link which you have shared. Okay, the another option, you can see the anyone with this link. Here you can see anyone this link means people can view your document. Okay, without restriction. Here also you can select the permission or role. You can okay, like editor, viewer, commenter. Okay, I just make viewer, and from here you can copy the link, and people can directly view your documents without restricted. Okay, so you just copy the link or share with email or documents on or on other platform like WhatsApp or Facebook, or you can simply copy paste on the email and share it. Okay, so that is how you can share, or you can simply enter the email ID here to whom you want to share. Okay, and just type the message and send it. Okay, so that is how you can share your Google documents. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.